Bringnox Smart Blinds Review: Affordable motorized shades with broad smart home compatibility. Bringnox Smart Blinds offer customizable motorized shades with broad smart home support, reliable performance, and strong value, though buying and installation require more effort than premium brands like Lutron. Bringnox offers custom motorized shades with tailored sizing, fabrics, light filtering or darkening options, smart home motors, solar charging, remotes, and flexible mounting. Bringnox requires precise window measurements and offers inside or outside mounts. Motor choice determines integration with Alexa, Google Assistant, SmartThings, HomeKit, and Matter through Apple Home. Bringnox lets customers customize valances, bottom rods, motor location, fabrics, colors, opacity, and accessories like remotes and control devices. Our review unit also included a solar charging panel. Bringnox Smart Blinds fit well and are manageable for DIY installation, from mounting and motor setup to app and smart home pairing, though setup requires more attention than Lutron. After weeks of testing, the shades operated smoothly and reliably, with solid tracking and useful schedules that automatically opened for morning light and closed for evening privacy. Bringnox supports Alexa, Google Assistant, SmartThings, HomeKit, and Matter through Apple Home, enabling voice control, routines, broad automation, and future-ready smart home compatibility. Bringnox's solar panel uses window sunlight to help keep the motor battery charged, reducing manual charging and maintenance, especially for sunny or hard-to-reach windows.
Go to GearBrain for more information.